Hey, what's up, chillins, villains, my people out there, peeps? You know, today we're checking out the Kid Cudi Cactus Plant Flea Market merch. The tees already showed up, the pants finally came in, and then we'll look at this free Warren Lotas tee.
Wake up, get lit, wake up, get lit, wake up, get lit, wake up, get lit.
Alright, first things first, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you can see more content that's coming out. Make sure you hit that like button. It's like that button with the thumb that's pointing up and the fingers pointed back. It's, I don't know, it's a weird thing that YouTube has going on. But anyways, Warren Lotas made some dunks a few years ago, and then Nike sued him last year. And this year, he's working on creating his own new shoe called the Reapers. I do have an order in for those back when I thought that he was collabing with Jeff Stapleton, which didn't happen on that previous dunk that Warren Lotas was trying to do. Anyways, I've got that pair of Chainsaw Reapers on the way, sort of waiting for them to get finished being produced. Right now, Warren Lotas is having one of his fans travel from Los Angeles to San Francisco in the Reapers, which is more miles than a lot of shoes can handle. So we'll see how they wear out. If you follow Warren Lotas on Instagram, you can see updates on that. For everybody who purchased those shoes, he was giving them all a free t-shirt that they could pick. And yeah, so this is my Warren Lotas shirt I have right now, wearing them with these new dunks that I got. These dunks, I got on Goat for like $100. I was like, come on, seriously? I'm glad the guy accepted my offer, and then they got verified and everything like that. They're pretty clean. I mean, I can understand they've got some vintage Batman vibes going on with them, with all those colors and everything. I thought it would go well with this Warren Lotas shirt. I was wearing some more bright shorts, but it's just too much, honestly, with the hat, with the shoes, with the tee. So I just went with some really basic Eric Emanuel shorts. Eric Emanuel shorts are great lacrosse shorts. They feel amazing, super breathable and all that. But yeah, so this is a size medium from Warren Lotas. This new shirt I grabbed is a size large. Here's the tags for anybody who even cares. Got our sticker tag there. We do have some warning information on the back of this plastic. We'll unseal it here. This is the lawsuit tee. With this graphic, it is all screen printed. All the black in here on the inside of this white is all ink. So all this black in there is ink, so the white isn't gonna flake off and be really weird. It's really nice that Warren Lotas uses that premium ink, and that's, I mean, why he charges a premium for his products. Like this LeBron t-shirt was like $100, and that's just retail. Here's the tags on the back of the neck. They are a little bit different on this t-shirt than any of his other ones. So this is that free one that only certain people were given access to. So that's the tag for it. Made in USA. That's how we do it. It looks like Warren Lotas did opt for the tighter neck. See how tight this neck is? It's really tight up there. This one here, tight as well. Like, just look at, like, just barely enough room to get your head in there, but it has some stretch to it, and it's even loose in there. Like, he knows there's extra fabric around that neck. So yeah, this size large does not look oversized at all. If anything, it might be a little bit shorter than a regular size large would be, but honestly, it's probably gonna be just like a size large. So I'll go ahead, I'll throw this one on. You guys can see how it fits. And yeah, so this tee definitely fits like a regular size large, besides its neck. Obviously, it took a little bit to get that on. I could kind of feel that it was kind of tight, but yeah, it just kind of forms to you perfectly. So this is definitely just a regular size large. Nothing special about sizing on it or anything like that. Although I do feel like the length is a little bit shorter than some size larges. But yeah, so there we go. Should fit for everybody. Now we'll break into the Cactus Plant Flea Market Kid Cudi merch. Kid Cudi Cactus Plant Flea Market merch. Man on the Moon 3. Definitely one of my favorite albums. I love the first two on my top 10 for sure. Best album ever. Best albums ever. The first and the second Moon Man. I mean, I basically started smoking weed like right when Man on the Moon 1 came out. Like, that was the perfect age for me. Didn't really even get introduced until I was 18 years old, really. Yeah, I was locked in a house, and then I got free, and I love my parents. They're really great. They kept me away from some stuff they thought was really evil, so I can't hate them for that. But anyways, here's a sticker on this plastic here. There it is. And then paired up next to the t-shirt, we got our group here. Apparently, I went for a medium. We'll see how this puff print is. I think it's gonna be glow in the dark because look at the color of this stuff. don't know if you guys can really tell that much, but it's super minty green, like really light mint, really reminiscent of glow in the dark. Oh, here's that label on the pants. Huge label, just, I mean, massive. That's easy enough to read. Yeah, you can read that, right? That's easy enough to read. We'll just unfold these here. You got Kid Cudi on the one side, all these yellow dots everywhere. And then Man on the Moon 3 down that side. And then, oh, this is the back. The back, just a couple of yellow dots. And then other side says Fall Into the Void, which I want to do. I got to be careful. I can't be wasting all my time falling into the void because I can't get as much work done. I mean, I can edit pretty fast. I can sort of make videos, but just, I come up with great ideas though. Very creative, very creative. Here we go. Get out this Man on the Moon t-shirt. I didn't open this up last time I showed it to you guys or unbagged it, but I told you guys I would once I get the shorts in, or the pants in, because I want to wear this as a set. So, on the back of the neck, here is your... It's super hard to see because it's super hard to get out of there. It's so big. Look at how massive that label is. This is like the biggest back of the neck label ever. So, yeah. I really do like Cactus Plant Flea Market. I don't go after everything they drop because they drop way too much stuff, and on average it's kind of high priced, but they're artists, they want to make money. They use puff print, they use expensive materials, so I can sort of understand that they need to charge a little bit extra. This latest Nike drop collaboration, I don't know if anybody was into that. They had a whole little mini movie promotional video for it. Honestly, none of that Nike stuff was really calling my name. And since it's not collaborated with any sort of artist that I really like, I had to skip it because, you know, I got to be saving my money up for my patent for that invention that me and Abby are doing, which, if you hear any background noise, Abby's upstairs making food and whatnot. So anyways, this is a size large from Cactus Plant Flea Market. It's going to be a lot bigger than this Warren Lotas size large. Warren Lotas is not oversized, so Cactus Plant Flea Market, they're looking oversized. So actually, I'm just going to get this whole fit on. I don't know if this purple hat's going to go with it. Give me a second. Okay, there we go. So, yeah, this t-shirt definitely not super long for being a large, not crazy long. It is a little bit wider, not that much though. So you can definitely order just true to size, I would say, for the one you want to grab. There's the back for you, some crazy graphics there. Just love the rockets just flying around. And then we have our Man on the Moon. See, he's cut out, he's come from the moon to Earth with love and joy and acceptance and all that fun stuff that Kid Cudi stands for. Definitely a lot of Christians have hated on him in the past or not agreed with listening to his music, but he's really just helped me because I've been somebody who's filled with anxiety since I was a little child. When I was a little baby, my mom even says, like, right when I was able to crawl, like I was rubbing my arms against the carpet, stressed out as a baby. I mean, come on, people. You can be hating for, I mean, so much different shit. I mean, people gotta do what they gotta do. People need to be able to take care of themselves with the resources that are here on Earth for us to have. Like, anyways, let's see. Does this glow in the dark? Yeah. This is glowing. There's, like, is everything glowing on these pants? Yeah, everything's glowing on these pants. Yeah, so basically the moon glows on this shirt, the Moon Man, and then the moon over here. Everything is glowing on these pants. It's all glow in the dark. The moon on the back glows as well. So yeah, some cool features, some good rave features with this apparel. These Cactus Plant Flea Market sweats, they do fit just true to size. I have one other pair of Cactus Plant Flea Market sweatpants from the Brain Dead collaboration they did. Those ones were in a small, a lot tighter. So I think maybe that's why I got this medium. I could probably even go for a large in sweatpants because they're pretty unisex. That small felt like is really meant for somebody with a really tiny waist. So I am 6'1", 150 pounds, about a 31-inch waist roughly, so that's what you're looking at. Length is pretty nice on these sweatpants, so yeah, it's a chill day, some good vibes. I'm gonna go listen to some Man on the Moon, but before I let you go, where's my phone? I have some funny memes, or maybe not a meme but a tweet. This one from Young Money, Canadian flag, it's super long name, whatever. This is stolen from Reddit, which was stolen from Twitter, and now I'm taking it from Instagram to put it on YouTube. So Twitter, Reddit, Instagram, YouTube, and now you. Nobody noticed that Jesus Christ talking to 5,000 people without microphone is a miracle. We just focus on bread. I thought that was hilarious. Like, honestly, yeah, Jesus is talking to 5,000. How are you talking to 5,000 people at one time back then? I mean, seriously, what is going on? And then lastly, when God gives you a sign, and then the sign says suffer. Oh man, sometimes it feels like that is just how it has to be. Sometimes in life, you just are put through some terrible stuff, whether it's self-put on through your own brain and you're just putting yourself through some things because of emotional imbalance or chemical imbalances that you're dealing with, or if life situations are just so crazy and hectic. I mean, around the world right now, there's a lot of different people dealing with a lot of rough situations. So we definitely all need to find ways to pick each other up and to help just encourage each other and bring each other forward in a positive direction. And that really all starts with just acceptance of other people's cultures, other people's way of living, and just encouraging each other to keep after it and to see those things happen that you really want to accomplish in your life. Just take that next step that you need to take to get a little bit closer. Every single week I'm going to be trying to post videos for y'all and different updates of my life and what's been going on, different pickups I've been able to grab. The Supreme has been really rough lately. Those new 350s are looking even more dope with new pictures. Although, is the upper just made totally of like plastic thread? Is that what's going on with these? I don't know. But anyways, let's spread some joy, and I'll be trying to do the same. So yeah, peace out.
About to have a party in the hood. Ain't work but a snack, one trying to get a meal. Ever since it changed my life, I'ma walk that walk, one trying to get it right. Trying to do right now. If it's working.